Hi everyone, it's Mrs. Zambanini, and I'm going to read you the story, Frogs and Toads. I used this story to help writing my informational writing piece on frogs and toads. Frogs and Toads, written by Kira Freed. Here's the table of contents. I'm going to skip over the first two chapters. I found a frog and life cycle. I'm only going to use what I used on the next videos to help me write my informational chapter 1 on frogs. About frogs. Frogs are famous for their ability to leap with their long, strong back legs. They leap to catch insects and other prey. A frog can catch an insect in an instant with its long, sticky tongue. The eyes and nostrils of a frog are on the top of its head. Frogs can see, smell, and breathe while they're mostly underwater. In fact, they breathe through their skin while they're underwater. Frogs can make an amazing amount of noise. Male frogs sing loudly to attract a mate. Do you know the differences between frogs and toads? Here's what I learned from a book at the library. Frogs have smooth or slimy skin. They live in wet places. They have long, strong back legs for leaping. Most of them have webbed feet, and they lay eggs in groups. Toads, however, have dry, bumpy skin. They live in dry places. They have shorter back legs for walking. They do not have webbing on their feet, and they lay eggs in long chains. Defense. I was sad to learn that frogs and toads are food for many other animals. Bats, snakes, birds, and rodents all hunt them. But frogs and toads have clever ways to stay safe from animals that might try to eat them. Some frogs and toads, like the wood frog I saw, are the same color as their habitat. This is called blending in. It allows them to hide better from predators. Some kinds of frogs are so poisonous that just touching their skin is deadly. These frogs are brightly colored to warn predators to stay away. Some frogs try to trick predators that might want to eat them. The tomato frog puffs up like a balloon when a snake gets near. The snake thinks the frog is too big to eat. If the snake tries to eat it anyway, the frog leaks a liquid like glue from its skin. Frogs are cool. Frogs and toads come in many shapes, sizes, and colors. You can find them in trees, in or near water, and on the ground. One thing is true about all of them. They're amazing animals. What kinds of frogs have you seen? Here is the glossary and the index. And then we're done. Thank you for watching the video. If you check out the next video for writing, you'll see pages from the book that I took and used to help write my informational chapter 1 on frogs. Goodbye.